Looking to boost your personal productivity with Monday.com? If you're wondering how this tool can help you stay organized, streamline tasks, and hit your personal goals faster, you're in the right place. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to use Monday.com for personal productivity in just a few minutes and give you some alternatives that might even work better for you. First up, let's dive into how Monday.com can help you organize your tasks. One of the biggest benefits of using Monday.com is its ability to help you visualize your workload. Whether you're managing a personal project, a hobby, or even daily tasks, you can easily set up boards for everything you're working on. You can break tasks down into smaller, manageable steps, set deadlines, and use color coding to prioritize them. With its user-friendly layout, you'll always know what's next on your list, which can be a real time saver. Next thing, automations. Monday.com offers a solid set of automations that can save you a lot of time and mental energy. For instance, you can set up notifications when tasks are due, or even create automatic progress tracking updates. This means you won't have to manually check or follow up on tasks, which frees you up to focus on what actually matters, getting things done. The third thing to consider is the integrations. Monday.com integrates with a ton of other apps, which is perfect if you use Google Calendar, Slack, or even time tracking tools like Toggle. You won't have to worry about manually switching between apps, as Monday.com can centralize all your work. But keep in mind, the range of integrations can sometimes be overwhelming, and not all of them are available in the most basic plan, so that could be a barrier if you're just looking for something simple and affordable. Now, let's talk about the layout. One thing that sets Monday.com apart is its flexibility. You can customize dashboards for personal use, making it feel like your own space. However, this level of customization can also be a bit of a double-edged sword. If you're new to productivity tools or just want something that's easy to set up, you might feel a little lost trying to configure everything just right. But for users who are into tweaking and refining, this can be a major advantage. The fifth thing worth mentioning is Monday.com's reporting tools. It has some nice analytics features, but to access them, you'll need to be on one of the higher tier plans. This can be a bit of a downside for someone using the tool solely for personal productivity, as it's overkill for basic task tracking. If you just need simple lists and basic tracking, you might be better off with something else. And here's where I offer a bit of an open loop for you. While Monday.com is a solid option for managing personal productivity, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. So stick around till the end, because I'll introduce you to some excellent alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific needs. Lastly, let's get into pricing. Monday.com can be a bit expensive for solo users, especially if you're looking for the full range of features. There are some free options, but you'll quickly hit limitations if you're managing multiple tasks or need more advanced features. Now, here's the exciting part. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Monday.com, along with some amazing perks only available to our viewers. But I'm also going to share some amazing alternatives that I think might actually be better for personal productivity, and guess what? They all come with free trials too. These alternatives might just be more in line with the goal of boosting your personal productivity without all the extra features you might not need. So, don't forget to check out those links for the best offers available.